She did.
Janine.
I will miss both of you.
Aw, so cute.
Wow, you're so cute and beautiful. Princess Janine.
Janine.
It's like an avocado.
Your grana. Oh my
I look like a
goodness.
merman.
Oh, please
Like a
stop it.
marine.
Janine, please stop that effect. I want to talk to you. Are you excited to
Okay.
go to Mamila's house after school?
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, you need to get ready.
Amari miss you.
Oh my God, the
Mga
Amara
Manila, mga
restaurant,
kagasto, ari mga
remember?
bataa, oy.
The Amara
Yeah.
restaurant where you're gonna buy the shake, remember?
Yeah.
Mango shake?
Yeah.
Mango shake.
Yeah,
Meron
mango
shake.
shake. And then
Kasi galing mo tao.
mango shake. Oh, I forgot.
Oh my goodness.